Hey everyone, Herman here. Today I'm going to present you one of the amazing websites if you want to learn Unix and Linux basics. The website is called OverTheWire and they provide a lot of courses, practical ones, which teaches you the basics of the cybersecurity. It's an open source project, but the one that I like the most is called the Bandit because this is like a game where it teaches you the foundations of the Linux, which you can use as a software engineer. It has like around 34 levels, and today I'm gonna try to solve some of the levels. And by the end of this series, I should be able to complete all the 34 levels. So let's get started. The first level is we have to use the SSH, the host to which we need to connect to the band labs over the wire.org on the port number 2220. So let's do that. SSHP, port is 2220, and the bandit 0 at, this is the host. Why it's not copying? Oh, here we go. Perfect. And now I have to put the password. I think they have provided, yes, the password is bandit 0. I'm just gonna copy paste, enter. And there we go. That's our first level completed. Now, if we move to this was the first level, right? Yes, this was the first level. Now let's move to the level number 1. So the level say the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. So if I can do list, and I think I should get all the files. Yes, we have a readme file over here. So I can do cat readme. Okay, and I got the password over here. I'm gonna copy it, and now I can move to the next level. For that, I will first exit to this one, and then I'll move to the bandit to the number 1. And remember the password that we copied over here? I'm gonna paste that password. Okay, enter, and that's it. We completed our first level. Now I'm gonna move to the second level. Now for the second level, the password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, located in the home directory. The best thing about the over the wire is that it also lists you some of the helpful commands that you can use. And with that, it also gives you the helpful reading materials like how to Google searching for the dash file name, advanced bash scripting, chapter 3 special characters. So you can use all of these helpful materials over here. So now we have to find a file with the call dash. The first thing I'll do is to list all the files. Now, if you can see over here, we have the file dash. Now, in order to read those files, I'll put the cat period slash dash. And there we go. We found the password for the next exercise. I'm just gonna copy it, exit, move to the next part. Just give me 1 second. And because the password was this one, I'm gonna paste that, and boom, we are now up to the second level. So for this level, the password for the next level is stored in a file called dash dash spaces in space this space file name dash dash located in the home directory. Now again, let's first list down all the files. So we have the file over dash dash space dash in dash this dash file name dash dash. So in order to you read this file, again, we're gonna use cat period slash spaces. Now, in order to have the space over here, we're gonna use the backslash in backslash, then again space this backslash file name dash dash. And here we go. We can see the password. Now I'm just gonna copy the password, and I'm gonna exit from this, and I'm now gonna go to the balance number 3, paste this key, the password, and here we go. Now let's move to the next level. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in a inherit directory. So whenever there's a file which is a hidden one, what we can use is we can use list dash a, and it can tell us all the hidden files. Oh, actually I have to move. The password is actually stored in a hidden file in the inherit directory. Okay, it's not in this current directory. I have to move to the inherit directory. And now if I use that, oh, it's called hiding from you. So for that, what I can do is cat again dot hiding from you, and even if you tab, it will auto complete the file. And there we go. We have the another one. I'm just gonna copy it, and again I'm gonna exit from here. And now I'll move to the bandit number 4. Perfect. And I'm gonna paste my password that I found in the previous exercise. Perfect. Now we can move to the next level. So in this level, the password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the inherit directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, you can try the reset command. Okay. So first of all, let me list all the files. Okay, I can move to the inherit file. And if I list, okay, there are so many files over here. So we have to find a human readable file in the inherit directory. If I can read all the files by using head a +1. Let's see this one. I think I'm messing up with this one. Let me search how to read all the files in the folder of the Linux. Read all the files and with the info of the let's just say file name. So tail minus, oh, actually I know what we can do. If we do head and +1, and if I can use this one, it should give me, boom, it read all the files. Okay, so the file that I was looking for is file number 7, and it has the password over here. Perfect, because this is the only one that we can read. I hope this is the answer. No. Perfect, I have copied that one. And if I exit, if I move to, I hope this is the answer. I hope so. If I do this one, and if I paste, it worked. Perfect, it worked, guys. It actually worked. Okay, I completed this level. Now let's move to the 6th. I think we just completed the 4th to 5th. Okay, we're gonna move to the 5 to 6. All right. The password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the inherit directory and has all the following properties. It's a human readable. It has 1033 bytes in size and it's not executable. Okay, so the password for the next file is stored in somewhere under the file in here. So I think it has in here. Okay. If I move to the in here, and now how many things are there? Okay, there are so many files. Now I'll do again find, and it's gonna be on the current directory, right? Okay, and then it's a type file. It's human readable. Okay, it has a size of 33C. Sorry, 103C. 33C. And it's not executable. So not executable. Perfect. Let's see. Perfect. I found this file. I copied this file and now I'm gonna do cat. And I think we should read the, boom, we found the password. I'm gonna again copy the password and I'm gonna exit through this. And I think this should help me to move the next one. 6. I'm gonna paste the password. Here we go. All right, so we were at the level from 5 to 6. Now we're gonna move to the level number 6. So for this one, I think the video is already a longer one. What I will do is I'm gonna complete this one, and yeah, and I'll complete the other ones in the coming days. So for the Bandit level 6 to 7, the level goal is the password for the next level is stored in somewhere in the server, and it has all of the following properties. It's owned by a user this, it's grouped by a user this, and it's a 33 byte size. Okay. But this time it's actually somewhere on the server. So I think it's gonna be what if I see all the files? Oh, that means it must be in the root level. So for that, I can use the slash, find slash. The type will be file. The size will be 33C. It's a group with the name Bandit 6. And the user Bandit 7. I hope this one works. Okay, now we have to find. So I see all of the files are like permission denied, permission denied. I'm gonna see if there's something, the file which that says no permission denied, okay, or this word is not there for that one. Let me see. Permission denied. It's like majority of the permission denied. No such file directory. Okay, this is odd one, but this is another thing. No such directory. Mission denied. Oh, I found it. Here we go. This is the one. I think this is the one. Because the other one, it all says permission denied or no such file or a directory. I'm pretty much sure it's this one. Okay, let's try it. And then I can do cat. This is perfect. It worked. Now I just have to copy this line. Oh, not this one. Only. No, my God. Only this one. Perfect. And I do exit. And if I now go to the bandit number 7, this time it should clear it. Paste the password. Boom, it worked. Alright guys, that was so fun. So finally I'm now at the level number 7, which I will do in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.